Hi guys, so in today's video I will be sharing my curling routine, how I curl my hair. This video is specially for beginners. So सबसे पहले you have to divide your hair in small sections. White tooth comb will be useful to detangle your hair and tail comb will be helpful to section your hair in small part. Preheating is very important whenever you are using any heating tool on your hair. Always prefer using those kind of curling iron who has clamp, and it will help you to wrap the hair. Curl the hair away from your face to get a flattering look. For Hollywood waves and soft melting curls, curl your hair in the same direction. While using a curling iron, it's very important to maintain a right temperature, as well as you have to choose your barrel size according to your hair density. I have thick hair, that's why I am using this barrel. If you have thin hair and fine hair, you can actually opt for more thin barrel and it will give you more precise and beautiful curls. Before using the iron, you actually can use mousse, and after doing the curls, you actually can use a good quality hairspray to hold your curls for longer period. And this is the final result, guys. If you are liking my content, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you soon.